to our channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how you trade in spot wallet as a daily trading or weekly trading, whatever you want, but you want to trade with your coins. How you sell and buy in Binance account. So first of all, you have to check in the wallet tab how much you got. So automatically it comes here in overview, and then you click on spot. From here you're gonna check how much coins you got. So you have 262 as a USDT coin in your spot wallet. So you want to go to trades, and from here you'll be able to buy and sell the coins you'd like to trade with. So how you can choose your coins, you click on this dot and USDT, and here it shows how you choose which one of them. So in today's video we're gonna go with dot and USDT, the same coin as I chose earlier. And then here the red colors shows the sellers, how much they set or they want the dot price to go. The sellers always want the price higher than the market price, which is 9.40, and the buyers are the green prices, and they always want the price goes down, so they got more profits when they sell or buy that coin. So here it's written that the dot coin price is 9.39, and then from here you can choose buy or you can choose sell. If you got the dot coin, you sell your dot coin and you get USDT, and if you have USDT in your pocket or in your wallet, you choose buy, so you get the dot. So there are many types of spot trade, which is limit trade or market trade or stop limit or OCO. So in today's video we're going to talk about limit trade. What is the limit trade? So the limit trade, the market set a price for that coin, and when you buy you set a little lower than that market price, so you get more profit. Or if you sell that coin, you put a higher price than the market price, you get more profits as before. So we want to buy, first of all we want to buy the dot coin. So the price of the dot coin in the market is 9.40, and we want to buy when the market reach this price, which is 9. For the purpose of this video I need to write 39, but you as a real trader you have to put something like 20, something like 9.50. when the market price reach this price you set for the limit trade, then your order will be fulfilled. Otherwise your order will go in the pending phase. So from here you write the total USDT, how much you want to spend to get that dot. So as I said earlier, we have 262 in our wallet, but we want to spend something like $20 to get 2.18 dots. This is the USDT amount, and this is the dot you will get by spending $20 on this spot limit trading. And then you click, as I said, for the purpose of this video I have to write something like 30 or 41, so I want the market goes there. I click on buy dots. See, my order went to the pending phase till the market goes again to 9.41. This color must be 9.41 as a green color, so it'd be fulfilled. So guys, I need to cancel this order since the market is going up. I set my price at 9.41 and the market price is just going up to 9.44. I need to cancel or wait till the market goes in my set price. For that I need to cancel it and then write again 9.43 with a spending of $20 USDT, so I get 2.12 and then I click buy those. Success. Then I wait again till the market goes down to 9.33. So till my order get fulfilled, I need to explain something else. So from this little icon of note or notebook here, the little icon, when I click on it, it shows the open orders, the order history, everything I did in the order history. Something like, look, I canceled this order just a few minutes ago. The trade history, all your successful orders or trades you did comes below this tab, trade history. And the order history, everything canceled or success or fulfilled comes under this tab. And your open orders, the orders are still pending, are appearing under this tab. And then we can go back. So here's something else you want to know about spot trading. When you click on these little candlestick in the right above the screen, so here shows you how the market goes, like that. You can see, check the 24 highest volume this Dogecoin reached to, and the 24 low volume that Doge reached. So in our case, the highest volume within 24 hours the Doge reached was 9.56 and the lowest point was 9.25. We can check the market cap, 2.23 millions, the highest and the lowest. And here when you scroll down, you can see the order book history. The order book history shows you the buyers, how much they want the coin to be reached to, and the sellers. As I said earlier, the buyers always want the price lower and the sellers want the price higher, so each one get their profits as they would like to. So from here you can see the trades, the margin data, the information, everything you can check in your phone. And here is the chart. You can see the 50 minutes chart, the 1 hour chart. From here you can check the candlesticks, how the price goes up, how the price goes down. These are the analytics information. So the green candlesticks shows the buyers, how they want the price, how they try to push the price, and the red is the sellers. We go back to our first screen. So guys, I have to wait since the market here, if you look at the percentage beside the coins, it shows 0.53% the market goes up. In that case, I need to wait till 1 hour, 2 hours till the market goes down again, and fulfill my order, which is 9.43. Otherwise I need to cancel this order, but as a real trader I would never cancel my order. I would set it in a lower price and wait till 2 hours, 3 hours till the market goes down again, so I be more profitable when I just plan to sell my coin again. So I'll be back later when my order will be fulfilled. Now our order has been filled. As you can see, you can check it by clicking on this little icon, and then trade history. You can check here our order, which we bought for 129 USDT when the price was 9.43. This order has been filled. So what we're gonna do next is to sell this coin for a higher price. So we click sell, and then we change this to something like higher price than 9.43, 9.50, 60, something like a higher price, yeah. And then we choose how much we want to spend to sell this coin. As it's written there, it's up to us if we want to sell 100% of it or 25%, 50%. So we're gonna sell it in parts, so the profit will be more, selling the coin profit. So we click sell dot, success, and then we put the next order 9.55. you want to sell again, success, and then the next order. As I said, we're gonna do that in sell it in a part so we get more profit. 960, sold out, so success, and then 970. When the market goes up to these prices, it's automatically one after a second will be filled and we get more profit. And that was our last order. And then now we're gonna wait for the market to go up to these prices and fill our orders one by one. Almost it will take 2 hours, 3 hours. You're just gonna wait. That's it. So that was today's video. Thanks for watching.